Introducing Dyconn Faucet's new luxurious tankless bidets. The stunning, sleek design of the Quasar is all thanks to our tankless system. This means no downtime between each flush. No tank means your toilet doesn't have to fill up after each use. No more after flush hiss, no more pipes banging your walls, no more waking the family up at night. When most toilets flush, it separates the water from the tank into many separate holes surrounding the bowl. You may end up having to flush several times to leave the bowl clean. Our bidet, however, uses a special tornado turbulent technology and uses 0.7 gallons of water to create a vortex that gives the water a longer track to make sure nothing sticks to the sides. It then finishes off each flush by concentrating and releasing the remaining 0.48 gallons of water out of a small jet at the bottom of the bowl for a more thorough flush, so that your behind leaves nothing behind. Our bidet is ADA compliant, and all features are easily accessible with our wireless remote. With the touch of a button, you'll have access to luxury features such as our front and rear wash, warm air dryer, and even seat heating features. We take great lengths in providing you the most sanitary environment we can give you. All of our bidets are finished using a nanotech microbial coating that kills 98% of surface bacteria. We take our time with each assembly to ensure that you get the highest quality of product we can offer. Thank you for choosing Dyconn Faucet, revolutionizing modern urban living.
Hi everyone, Mike Marbach here, and this is the Santa Rosa toilet from Kohler. Compact in size, this Santa Rosa toilet is perfect for those who want to fit an elongated toilet into a small space. Its one-piece design offers a distinct high-end look, and without tank seams, it's extremely easy to clean. Best of all, it's loaded with power. Rather than a standard flapper valve, this Santa Rosa toilet features a patented flush engine. There's no flapper, which means no leaks, no problems. It's just full-out power. Plus, this toilet provides 50% more rinse than previous Kohler models, giving you a cleaner bowl after every flush. Now let's talk water savings. This WaterSense certified toilet features a 1.28 gallon flush, which means you'll save about $100 a year on your water bill compared to an older 3.5 gallon toilet. Another great feature of the Santa Rosa toilet is comfort height seating. Kohler comfort height toilets are about the height of a standard chair, making it much easier to sit and stand. At Kohler, we build the finest toilets you can buy. No matter which you choose, Kohler toilets are engineered to save water without sacrificing performance, and they're built to last for years to come.
Potty training is an essential part of parenting, but not necessarily a part we look forward to. It can be hard on your toddlers too, especially when they try to use a conventional adult-sized toilet. That's why you should take a look at the American Standard Baby Devro toilet. Everything about this toilet was conceived for kids, but it makes sense for other reasons too. First and foremost, the 10-inch rim height and round front design make it easy for small children to get on the toilet themselves. This goes a long way towards building confidence. And it's safer too, with no need for a step stool that can be unstable or get in the way. As a parent, you've got to love that. You'll also like it as a homeowner because the Baby Devro is also a water-efficient toilet. It uses just 1.28 gallons per flush, which enables it to meet EPA WaterSense criteria for water savings while exceeding their standard for flushing performance. You can start teaching your children about conservation from an early age. It installs easily, just like a standard toilet, and once your child outgrows it, you can easily replace it with a standard height toilet. So whether you're about to begin that all-important potty training program or simply want to adapt a bathroom for young children, be sure and take a look at the American Standard Baby Devro toilet. Learn more at americanstandard.com.
Kohler engineers have taken innovation to new heights with their latest development, introducing AquaPiston, the newly designed engine that drives the power and flushing performance of our toilets. Kohler engineers designed AquaPiston with power and performance in mind. The power lies in the 3-to-2 ratio between the flush canister's inlet and outlet. Kohler engineers achieve top performance by replicating the natural arc of water over the edge of a waterfall. Aquapiston sends water rushing into the system from a full 360 degrees upon actuation, harnessing the force of gravity and delivering Kohler's most powerful gravity-fed flush. Here, power and performance come together for a high flow rate of water rushing through the system, delivering a powerful flush through the rim and bowl, resulting in a cleaner bowl that is plug-free with no more clogs. Aquapiston, the new flush engine from Kohler.
At Toto, flushing technology is a serious science. Quality assurance is foremost. Toto's series of performance tests are the most rigorous in the plumbing industry. Toto tests and retests, using more than 10 evaluations in fact, to validate flushing technologies. To ensure reliable performance, Toto's stringent testing standards imitate real-life scenarios. Toto conducts many liquid tests, including one with 500 milliliters of dyed liquid, 150 milliliters more than in common bathroom breaks. Toto understands that accurate testing must recreate normal conditions. This means a fully restored water level in the bowl, plus the waste you add. In test after test, Toto's UltraMax 2 with double cyclone technology removes all liquid waste every time, using only 1.28 gallons per flush. That's high efficiency plus performance. Yet a balanced high-efficiency toilet must clean the bowl and rim as well as flush media. A toilet paper test ensures complete bowl cleansing and paper removal, while the ink line test proves that the flush consistently and completely removes rim debris. Toto's high-efficiency toilets perform the best because we have the best testing practices. Toto is proud of our high-efficiency, high-performance 1.28 gallon per flush toilets and water conservation. And as consumers, you should accept no substitutes.
Was a long, long way to go. Mine was beside her, behind and alone. Ours was as teardrop wind into the bone. Ours was as cyclone. I gotta say, I gotta say. Now listen, sweet. was this cavern creased beside the road, filled up with fossils, Walker to his load, filled with a river, dried with a moan, while hearts was as thunder. I've gotta say, I've gotta say, words I fly, brothers Thank you, deep. I can hear you now. You can hear me now. Now listen